What's up, everybody? Today I'm doing an unboxing of the Windsor Design 8-drawer tool chest, wood tool chest from Harbor Freight. Let's get straight into it, shall we? Alright. It's actually a really good looking product. Does it come with a key? Maybe the key's inside. Aha! 2 keys. Lovely little mirror for fixing your, I don't know, teeth. Not the right key. Still here. Whoa. Beautiful. Beautiful designer shelves. Got your gel packets, don't eat those. Just kidding. But yeah, that's pretty cool, I love it. You can sort all kinds of stuff with this guy here. Nice little space at the top. Yeah, I like the design. Kind of wish it didn't have a key, but all in all, pretty cool little toolbox. Bye. Thanks for watching.
Overall, I give this product an 8 out of 10. Top lock was not functional, and the bottom lock and mirror were unnecessary, and it's a little bit too pricey.